Thank you guys for coming back to the channel once again. I appreciate each and every last one of you. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for becoming a part of my YouTube family. And my old subscribers, you know guys, I love you guys because you all come back each and every week, leave me comments, like my videos and look at my videos. So I appreciate everyone who does that. On my last video, I did a string decor for my table and a mirror. On this video, I am going to do the floral arrangement that goes on that table. I'm using this beautiful container right here, and I have my florals, and I am going to put this floral arrangement together. It generally does not take me that long, so let's get started here. This will be my last video of the year, and I just want to encourage anyone who is considering starting a YouTube channel and you're waiting until things are perfect. No time is ever perfect. Start now. We're going into 2024. You don't want to sit back and let 2024 go past you. You're waiting to get certain things done, and you want your site to look a certain way, and you want branding and all of that. Get started now. While you're waiting to get everything together, you can have watch hours. You can have subscribers subscribing to your channel, and let the rest fall into place. After you get that channel started, you don't have to have everything perfect to get started. Trust me. Now, when I'm making a floral arrangement, when I have short picks like this, I take my green taper, my green floral tape, and I merge these together with the stem. There are some other pieces that I have that are short like this, and I do the exact same thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and prepare all of my stems, and then I'll come back once I prepare those to show you how they look. I have all of my picks prepared. I took this rose and I just added these cream colored flowers right on this. For this one, I just added this pick right here to that. I got my silver stems that I haven't done anything with. I got these two wood balls. And I've got this flower here that I added these two. And on one of these, I had another rose left over, so I put the rose in there. And then for this one, I just had one of these picks and I put that in there. And I think I'm going to put that toward the center. We'll see. Now, when you're putting together a floral arrangement, put it together for your liking, for what your eye tell you that it's good. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to arrange it until I like it. That's what matters. And I think I will be cutting some of these picks because some are still too long for me. I think this one seems like it's okay, so I'm just going to put it in. That's one that I'm going to put in the center. I have this one also that I'm going to place on that side. And you see the difference in the height So that's the bottom. And the difference in the height. What I'm going to do is I have this extra stem here, and I'm going to add it to the bottom. And I just put those two on the end. Now I'm going to start filling in with my rose picks. That one is a little too high. And you want to cut it off a little bit at a time. You don't want to cut too much off and then have to add something else to it. I'm going to take this one out and put it in the back. Now for this one, I do want it to sit up just a little bit higher, so I'm going to take it back out. And I am going to add it to this pick. And along with adding that to that pick, I'm going to also add one of the wood balls. Now I'm going to put it back in. And when you're arranging it, if you don't like how it looks, move things around, take it out, put it somewhere else. It's your arrangement. Like I said, you want it to look pleasing to your eye. I'm going to tweak it just a little bit. This piece right here, being in the front on this stem, was kind of throwing me off, so I took it off, and I'm going to put it on the end over here. I think I like that better. I'm going to put this back in the middle. This one is sitting up a little too high for me. I'm going to cut this one down. Okay, I like that a lot better. Okay, I tweaked it a little bit. I like this a lot better. Now let's see the full reveal. The coasters right there, that's a DIY also. And this is a DIY using the body massage pieces from Dollar Tree. These are DIY also. I don't think I have those on the channel. It was before I started the channel. And the ones down here are DIY too. I've got to have someone to come and move this base down to the bottom for me because this glass is too heavy for me to lift off to do it myself. It's going to look like how that base is down there, because you can set it up or you can set it down, and I actually want it sitting on the bottom level. And this is how it looks on the back side. I have another one of those body massagers. I think that floral arrangement turned out so pretty. As we go into 2024, I will be doing a full apartment tour very soon. There's just a couple of more things that I need to do to the living room. One thing is to get the curtains hung because I have a debilitating disease that causes me to get real dizzy and have vertigo. It's not a good idea for me to try to hang these curtains myself and end up falling off a window or falling back and hurting myself. Thank you guys so much for coming back each and every week to look at another DIY video or just to look at a tablescape, different things that I've done. As we go into 2024, I believe I have a little over 540 subscribers. Come on, let's make this my 1,000 subscribers year in 2024 and get those watch hours, because I'm halfway there as far as the subscribers. I'm nowhere close as far as those watch hours. So keep coming back and looking at the videos that I'm doing. I have some very good videos planned for next week as I go into making over my bathroom. Thank you so much. And as you go into 2024, remember, don't let anyone interrupt your joy or your peace. Be blessed. Happy New Year.